And she come back again, I'm like a Mexican, I've been a Mexican, I'm universal and I'm back again to fill my trap again like Quasimodo, ain't no frap again, I'm in my bag again.
Hey sweets, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this drip, y'all. Yes, so I have this beautiful little number in 2 colors, you guys. This is Ramona. And this is from Freetress, and we're going to check out this beautiful unit in this color, honey. Look at that burgundy. I can't wait to pop her open. Let's see what we working with, y'all. So we're going to pop her open and take her out of this box. And I can't wait to see this gorgeous unit. I gravitated towards the color. It's not as vibrant as the one on my head. I love the blend and how they did it. I always love to have it have more black than the burgundy. And the blend on this unit is gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty, and it's so soft. Very nice and soft. It's kind of got like a yaki type feel to it. The cut is beautiful. Here is our stock card of Miss Ramona, and this is FHMULBERRY. That's the color. She is the top one, and then there's a couple other colors on here. Very sexy, you guys. Can't wait to see what this is looking like. So cap construction, we got 2 combs off to the side. We also have a comb in the back, and it does come with adjustable straps. Yes, very sexy. Here is the top of our unit. It does come with a parting. It is pre-plucked, but I think I'm going to go in and just define it a little bit more for my liking. But that color, though, ain't she gorgeous? So here is the number 1. Told you guys I got 2 colors. So here is the number 1. Number 1 is very light, very sexy. Yes, let me get this out of here. Same cap construction as the previous. Here's the parting area on this one as well. Again, I want to define that just a little bit more. But it's gorgeous, you guys. All right, so now I'm going to pop this on, and let's see what we're working with before we cut off that lace. Let's see. Oh, she's kind of cute. Now I got to get her adjusted correctly on my head now. Look at that. Do you see that? Yes, I was just adjusting the comb in the back, but looking like a whole snack already. Yes, baby. And she's so soft, you guys. This is, yes, feels like a sexy little blowout. Yes, and she's good from ear to ear. Very good. You see the baby hairs. I got to pull it down just a little bit because I can see my wig band. But this is cute, you guys. Very sexy. And like I said, she's very lightweight. Look at that cut on that. Yes. Here is a side view. Yes, gorgeous. I'm loving this. Very sexy, very flowy. I like it. Here's the back. It's nice and full. No gaps, as you can see. Yes, come through, y'all. Come through. Yes. Now let's get this other one on. This is the mulberry. Let's see how this is looking. Yes, very sexy. Now I noticed when I put this one on that this one is a lot thicker than the number 1. I don't know if it's because it has 2 colors in it, but it's a lot thicker. It's not as lightweight as the number 1, if that makes sense. But there's our parting area again. Still very sexy, though. And little baby hairs is very nice, too. You can go in and define that, cut those down, whatever you prefer. But that's really sexy. Very good ear to ear. Yes. She's still cute. Here's a side view. You can still get that little toss on. Here is the back. It's very full. Now, there's our parting area. And like I said, I wanted to pluck it again. I wanted to go in and pluck it some more. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to just go through and pull out certain strands of hair. Now, you don't want to do this very fast. You want to make sure you're taking your time doing this and kind of plucking them out one by one, because you can tear your lace. So I'm going through and just looking at spaces that I can kind of open up, just so I can get it to where I'm comfortable and the liking of where I want it to be. So you can either do this step or not do this step. It's optional. But that's where it looks good for me. And I'm going to go through and do both units like that. But I am going to go through and use some of my tint spray, and I'm going to tint this, and all this information will be in the description box of where I got it from. So I'm just going to go through and tint that parting area and just kind of off to the sides that I know that are going to show. And then I'm going to let this sit, let it dry. And then we're going to put these units on and see if they're going to be slaying, honey. Yes. Hi, sweets. Welcome back to the channel today. Yes, we are here for some more drip. Ow! How y'all doing out there? I hope you guys are doing good. We're back with another quick video. And I have this cute little unit in 2 colors. So if you want to see if they are a slay or nay, I guess you just gotta stay tuned. So we're gonna hop right into it, y'all. So this beautiful little unit, now I'm always talking to you guys about I still work at home. It would be good to know for you guys that are watching the video, who is still working from home. I may or may not be back in the office until January, but I don't know. Things are still up in the air. So who, comment down below, let me know. Are you guys still working from home? You guys know I'm always looking for wigs to wear on my Zoom calls, okay? Even though I'm working from home, I still want to feel like I got up, washed my ass, got dressed, and got cute, okay? I pretty much ain't got nowhere else to go. So, I mean, I got to be cute somewhere, okay? So, I'm always looking for wigs where I can still look good on my Zoom calls. And this little cute drip was one of them. When I seen it, I was like, oh, I said, okay. She said, I said, okay, she's sexy. I said, I can wear it, you know, during the day for my Zoom calls. I said, but I can also turn up at night with it, okay? Well, when it's time to turn up, even though stuff is opening up, I'm still like, not yet, maybe. You know, I'm still a little cautious. But anywho, this can be like day wear and night wear. Let's get into these specs, y'all. So Miss Ramona, and like I said, I have her in 2 colors. So I got the number 1, and I also got, oh, this is the number 1, but I also got this one. It's a FHMULBERRY. Okay, it has my black mixed in with my burgundy. Y'all know, like I said, I like try getting some different colors, but you know that I gravitate towards the number 1, and depending on, it could be some type of burgundy. And I like the burgundy because it has the mixture. It's not too much burgundy, it's not too much black. It's just that right amount of mix that makes it real sexy. But what I will say is this one, the number 1, is very, very lightweight. The mulberry one, that one is real thick, okay? She got some gumph to her, okay? I was like, because when I was putting on and I was trying them on, I was like, I said, this one ain't as lightweight as the number 1. So just be mindful of that. I don't know if it's with any other colors, because I only got that other mixed color, but be mindful that that one's a little weighty. If you get 2 colors, you'll see what I'm talking about. But let's get into these specs. So as always, I got this on divatress.com, and I'll leave all the links and all the information in the description box. Make sure you check the description box. So Miss Ramona, so she is a HD lace front wig. She comes pre-plucked. She was plucked pretty good, but as you've seen, I wanted to go in and define that part just a little bit more. I wanted the part to be able to show. So I went in and plucked some more of that out just for my preference. It's up to you on what you want to do, but it does come pre-plucked. She has a 5-inch curved lace part, so it's going back here, going back that way. She comes ear to ear, HD lace, and the lace was very soft, very good. I'll show you the inside of the start card too. And then just another look at the back, because she does come in other colors. This is a very, very beautiful, she's a very beautiful unit, you guys. She is a synthetic fiber. She is more on the yaki, and y'all know I love my yaki, baby. She is on the yaki, so yes, if you're a yaki girl, I got you. She is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees, and it says completely flawless hairline. But she is sexy, y'all. And I wanted to show y'all again this little brown color right here. If y'all can see that, that's pretty sexy too. I think I'm gonna go back and probably get me a couple more before I launch this video. Because I know how stuff goes out of stock and then you can't get it, and it's like, damn, I should have went back on there and bought me a couple more. But she is beautiful. And then it does have little layers. I put some hairspray in there just so the layers would stay. So she does have layers in her. Yes, see that? The layers are gorgeous. She does come with baby hairs. I had to cut them baby hairs down. Y'all know I'm not a baby hair girl, but I was like, let me do a little something. I don't know for what reason the gel I've been using has been like chalky. This one looks a little bit better because I went back to my internet. Anywho, but yeah, I went in there and did a little bit something, but I mean, it's beautiful. This is a beautiful unit. It's so soft, so lightweight. This will even be good during the summertime, y'all. Most definitely. But y'all know what we do here. Is it a slay or nay? Comment below. Y'all let a sister know if y'all go cop this. So y'all let me know if y'all gonna go cop her. I'll leave everything in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, think about subscribing at the link below, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. For my sweets that's been rocking with me, you know I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.